Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to save $3,000 in 3 months when you're broke. I know this may seem like a daunting task, but it's definitely possible with a little bit of planning and effort. Step 1. Set a goal. The first step is to set a goal. How much money do you want to save? In this case, we're going for $3,000. Once you know your goals, it will be easier to stay motivated. Step 2. Track your spending. The next step is to track your spending. This will help you see where your money is going and where you can cut back. There are several different ways to track your spending. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a notebook. Step 3. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Once you know where your money is going, you can start cutting back on unnecessary expenses. This could mean things like eating out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives to your current products. Step 4. Find ways to make extra money. If you're struggling to save money, you may need to find ways to make extra money. There are several different ways to do this. You could get a part-time job, start a side hustle, or sell some of your belongings. Step 5. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to save money is to automate your savings. This means setting up a direct deposit from your paycheck into your savings account. In this way, you won't even see the money and you won't be tempted to spend it. Step 6. Don't give up. Saving money can be tough, but it's important not to give up. There will be times when you want to quit, but if you keep at it, you will eventually reach your goal. Here are some additional tips that you may find helpful. Set realistic expectations. Don't try to save too much money too quickly. Start with a small goal, such as saving $100 per month, and gradually increase it as you get better at saving. Be patient. It takes time to save money. Don't get discouraged if you don't reach your goal right away. Just keep at it and you will eventually get there. Make saving a priority. Put saving money at the top of your list of financial priorities. This means paying your bills first, then putting money into savings, and only spending what's left over. Find a savings buddy. Having someone to support you and hold you accountable can make a big difference. Find a friend, family member, or coworker who is also saving money and work together to reach your goals. So, there you have it. These are a few tips on how to save $3,000 in 3 months when you're broke. I hope this helps.